Hi everyone. Today I want to show how deep learning and artificial intelligence can change the way that we are looking at football data. The aim is not to change or replace some statistical metrics such as expected goal or pass accuracy, but also to see what is the story behind these kind of numbers and to be able to understand them and explain them to everyone. My name is Pega, and let's have a look at two examples that can better understand what's the field. So here are two shots, one from the Luis Diaz and also other from the Mohamed Salah. You can see both of them have been assigned an expected goal of 0.21 with one of the most accurate expected goal model. However, we are not stopping here. We should be able to understand, okay, these two numbers might look identical on paper, but all the analysts and also coaches and scouts know that there are some differences between these two shots, and also each of them has some kind of stories. Here is where artificial intelligence is helping in this area. Artificial intelligence can show us that, for instance, Mohamed Salah is getting this high XG because of his consistent and sustainable runs, the clever weekly runs that he has in game, and before that, on the other side, Luis Diaz is getting this from some kind of like improvised dribbling skills or some kind of like spontaneous skills that are emerging during the game. The next example is about the playing style analysis, which is one of the most important topics in football. Traditionally, most of the current analytics methods are assigning some kind of threshold, like for instance, more than 5 passes can be categorized as possession-based team, and less than 3 can be categorized as the direct play. However, we should understand that these kind of thresholds are not reliable, and why not to use some kind of dimensionality reduction and also the clustering technique to get these kind of results. Here you can see for Manchester City, the tiki-taka playing style, which is possession-based playing style, actually is they are excelling at this kind of playing style, and for West Ham, they are standing out as at pressure build-up phase. Both of these are kind of like very important playing style. However, we should be able to distinguish them and to be able to assign some kind of DNA for each team. I'm very excited that we are going to cover all these examples and many more in a course that we are initiating in early October. We are starting with the structure of the tracking data and how to process it and how to analyze it, what kind of insight can we get from the tracking data, and what are the most automatic way in order to get this insight. Then we are moving to the interaction, which is about the playing style analysis and role representation. Next, we are going to talk about the valuation method, expected threat, EPV, VAEP model, and also the reinforcement learning that is going to help for evaluating the action of the players and help them for scouting and transfer analysis. And we are finishing the course with the communication, which is about developing some kind of LLM agents that are able to generate some chatbots to streamline the communication between the analysts and also the coaches and sporting directors. I'm very excited to see you there, and have a nice day.